For your homework, I want you to create this scenario in Desmos. So this is your capital city at the origin, and there's an aerial drone located at 30 across, 20 up, with a vector of -3, -2. So when t equals 0 is here, when t equals 1, the aerial drone will be here, is heading towards your capital city. Your SAM, your surface-to-air missile, is going to be fired with a vector 1, 2. So when t equals 0, your SAM is here. When t equals 1, your SAM will have moved 1 across, 2 up, 1 across, 2 up, 1 across, 2 up. This aerial drone will be -3, -2, -3, -2. The question is, will your city be safe? So for example, hang on, let me just show you this in Desmos, hang on. So for example, when time is 0, you can see that the aerial drone is at 30, 20, and your SAM, your surface-to-air missile, is at 10, 0. So when t is 1, it will be here. The aerial drone has moved towards the city, and the SAM is trying to intercept the aerial drone. The question is, will your capital city be safe? So simulate this in Desmos, okay?